Okay, what we're going to try and do is show you the Citroen's party trick. So here we go. Right, so if we click this button here, the parking button, then you've got parallel parking, so that's enter parallel parking, exit parallel parking, too slow Baz, and enter bay parking. So we're going to have enter bay parking, then the dashboard change, and it says select side using indicators. So if we indicate left and then we start moving forward, because it's the worst place to go because there's a lamp post. So parking possible, go forward, into reverse and release the wheel. So here we go. And I have to say, I do not trust these systems. I really don't. Fortunately, we can see what's going on there. I think we're just about to go into that Skoda. Go forward, into reverse again. Jazz hands. So we just have to watch that staple at the back that catches many a normal person without reversing sensors out. Yeah, that's close enough for me. So that's it. So and it reverses in, so it's perpendicular and parallel parking. Okay, we've knocked that off anyway, and I'll now take you for a ride.